I'm Evy-Senara. I'm from the Moonshine Cloggers in Gympie. This is a dance to Bills by Lunch Money Lewis, and it's a basic +1 dance. The first part is 2 toe heel clogovers. Those clogovers consist of 7 toe heels and a rock step. We go to the left first, toe heel, cross our right over our left next, toe heel, cross behind, toe heel, in front, toe heel, rock step. We repeat that to the right, so I'll do the counts. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. The second section is the first chorus. It's made up of a Charleston and 2 side touches. The Charleston does turn a quarter left each time we do it, and we do it 4 times. So the Charleston is double step, touch, heel, toe, heel, rock, step, and then 2 side touches. Double step, touch, heel, double step, touch, heel. Now that does turn, so I'll count it as I turn the next one. And a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6 and a 7 and 8. Part B has 32 beats. There's a stumble step, a Burton stamp and a chain, and we do that section twice. The stumble step has 8 beats. Double step, drag step, double step, drag step, double step, drag step, double step, rock step. I'll count that stumble step for you. And a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6 and a 7 and 8. That's followed by a Burton stamp on the right foot. Double step, stamp, heel, stamp, heel, stamp, heel. And a chain on the left. Double step, rock step, rock step, rock step. The counts for the Burton stamp and the chain are and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Part C has 32 beats. We have 2 chain brushes, 2 outhouses, a pivot chain half left, 2 basics and a pivot chain half right. So the chain brush is a 4-beat step. It's a chain, and instead of a rock step on the end, it's a brush heel. Double step, brush heel. I'll do one to the left, the right, and count it for you. Double step, and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then we have our outhouses. An outhouse is a double step, touch out to the side, touch in front, touch out to the side, and I'll count one on the right for you, and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. The next thing is a pivot chain half left. So we start with double step, rock step, rock step, rock step. And then after that we do 2 basics, double step, rock step, double step, rock step. We then pivot back to the right, so I'll count the pivot chain and the 2 basics this time. And a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6 and a 7 and 8. The second chorus is 32 beats. It starts with a Samantha, and then there are 2 travelling pivots, and then that section is repeated. A Samantha is 2 double steps, double step, drag step, rock step, double step, rock step. The counts for the Samantha are and a 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. The travelling pivot is 3 double steps and then a pivot on the left foot, a quarter right. Double step, pivot. The counts for the travelling pivot are and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and 4. Then we go back to part B, the stumble, step, Burton stamp and chain. Part C, the 2 chain brushes, 2 outhouses, pivot, chain, basics, pivot, chain and basics. Then we do the first chorus, which is the Charleston and the 2 side touches, done a quarter left and 4 times. Then we get to part D, which is a Samantha and 2 Burton stamps. It has 32 beats. So the Samantha once again is double step, drag step, rock step, double step, rock step. The counts for that are and a 1, and a 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and a 6, and a 7, and 8. And then we have 2 Burton stamps starting on the left, and a 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Double step, stamp, heel, stamp, heel, stamp, heel. And that is repeated. Then part E has 40 beats. It has 2 clog over slurs, 2 slur brushes, travelling pivot, rocking chair, travelling pivot, rocking chair. And this time the travelling pivot is a half to the right each time. So our clog over slur is double step, double step, double step, slur step, double step, double step, double step, rock step. I'll do one to the right and count it for you. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and 4, and a 5, and a 6, and a 7, and 8. Then we do 2 slur brushes, double step, slur step, double step, brush heel. I'll do one to the right with the counts. And a 1, and 2, and a 3, and 4. Our travelling pivot goes a half right, double step, double step, double step, and pivot. And then a rocking chair, double step, brush step, double step, rock step. And then we do another travelling pivot, a half right, double step, double step, double step, pivot, double step, rock, brush step, double step, rock step. After that, we do the first chorus again, which is the Charleston and the 2 side touches, a quarter left and done 4 times. Then it's part B, the stumble step, Burton stamp and chain, which is repeated. And then the final chorus has 33 beats. It has a Samantha, 2 travelling pivots, a quarter right each, another Samantha, another 2 travelling pivots, a quarter right each, and ends with a stomp. So once again, the Samantha is double step, drag step, rock step, double step, rock step. 2 travelling pivots, a quarter right, double step, pivot, double step, pivot. I'll just count that section for you. And a 1, and a 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and a 6, and a 7, and 8, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, 4, and a 5, and a 6, and a 7, 8, and stomp. I hope you enjoyed Bills.